My dear students of class 10, I hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. Overpopulation is a great problem in any country, but population may become an asset if they become skilled. Our title, let's become a skilled workforce. That is, we should be trained or expert so that we may be useful to the society instead of being a burden. Here, in order to become a skilled worker, English plays an important role, and how it is possible, now we will learn about this. Now I am reading the text first. Today there are many jobs where you need English. This is because the world has become smaller. Vast distances are shortened by speedy transports. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away on the phone or on the internet. So we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. That is, there are many jobs where we need English. This is because the world has become smaller. Vast distances are shortened by speedy transports. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away on the phone or the internet. That is, there are many ways in which we can communicate with the whole world, with the people, almost all the people in the world easily. English has made this communication easier. English has made this communication easier. There are many countries in the world with many languages, but to communicate with them, you cannot use all the languages. So you need a common language that you can use with more or less all the people in the world. English is that common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, an Arab ambassador, or a Korean builder in all language English. That is, there are many countries in the world and they have their own many languages. We cannot communicate with them using all these languages. That is, we cannot use all the languages. So why do we find it difficult to communicate with the other people in the world? To communicate with them, we need a common language. If we can use a common language, we can easily communicate with them. English is that common language. We all know that English is an international language. So it can be that common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker. That is, we can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, an Arab ambassador, or a Korean builder, and many others like this. In one language, English. English is the common language as it is the international language, so we can use this language to communicate with the people in the world. English for us in Bangladesh is all the more important. That is, in Bangladesh, English is very, very important for us. As we have seen earlier, we are too many people in a small country. So, if you learn English, you have the best opportunity to find a good job, both within and outside the country. And that is good news for millions of our unemployed youths. We all know that our population is greater than in comparison with our land. If we can learn English, we can get the best opportunity. We can have the best opportunity to find a good job, both within and outside the country, because English helps us to become a skilled worker, to communicate with the other people. And that is good news for millions of our unemployed youths. That is, many of our youths are unemployed, and this is a good news for them. But miss, we learn English for 12 or 14 years, yet we do not find good jobs, says Rumi. She then tells the class about what happened to her brother. Could you please tell us why? Rumi asks. Miss, that is, a woman teacher, married or unmarried, can be addressed with Miss. That is, Miss, the teacher. We learn English for 12 or 14 years. That is, instead of learning for a long period of time, say 12 or 14 years, we are unable to use this language. We do not find good jobs. She then told the class what happened to her brother. Could you please tell us why? Rumi asks. This is a very important question, Rumi. We should learn how to use English both orally and in writing for doing things as needed in our work, such as communicating with others at personal, social, national and international levels. But unfortunately, at the moment we are learning English mainly for our exams. Continues Ms. Chaudhary, remember, English can greatly help you become skilled workers. The question that Rumi asked is also a very important question. We learn English for a long period of time, but we cannot use this language. We should learn how to use English both orally and in writing. We should learn English both orally and in writing for doing things as needed in our work, such as communicating with others at personal, social and international level. In our work, we need to communicate with others, with other people at social level, and personal level, social level and international level. And if we can use English orally and in writing as we need, and we can become successful in our communication with the people. So, but unfortunately, so we should learn how to use English orally and in writing. But unfortunately, at the moment we are learning English mainly for a reason. That is, the purpose of our learning English is only to pass the examination, not to have a command over that language. Remember, English can greatly help you become a skilled worker. In English, the language is very important, is a very important thing in becoming a skilled worker. The language plays an important role here. And if we can learn English, the common language, this common language will help us to become a skilled worker. But where and how can we learn this kind of English? Miss asked Ratan. How can we learn this language? Where can we learn this language? Miss Chaudhary says, we can learn this language both in and outside the classroom. Besides your textbooks, the radio, television, newspapers, magazines, computers and other supplementary materials will greatly help you. Supplementary materials, that is the other materials that are required, will greatly help you. During our classroom activities, we will see how we can learn English. That is, we can learn English both in and outside the classroom. We should try to learn English in the classroom and also outside the classroom. And we can learn this in these two ways. Besides our textbooks, there are many things like the radio, television, newspapers, magazines, computers and supplementary materials that will greatly help us. By reading newspapers, by reading magazines, by listening to the radio, television, by running computers, we can develop our knowledge of English. So, this is all about the importance of learning English and the way how to learn English and where to learn English. Now, read the passage and I am giving you some questions. Here are the questions. What has English made easier? What has English made easier? English has made our communication with the more or less all the people, in the world. Why is a common language needed? There are many countries in the world with many languages, but we cannot use all the languages to communicate with them. Then we need a common language that we can use to communicate with the other people in the world. So this is why a common language is needed. What is the importance of English as a common language? We have already learned that we need a common language to communicate with the other people in the world. And English is that common language. By learning, we can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, or a Korean builder, an Arab ambassador, and so on, in all languages, in common language, English. English thus helps to become a skilled worker. So, the importance of English as a common language is great. How should we learn English? We should learn English both inside and outside the classroom. We should learn English in the classroom and also outside the classroom. We should learn English so that we can use it orally, in writing, etc. Besides our textbooks, the radio, television, newspapers, magazine, computers and supplementary materials will greatly help us. This is how we should learn English. Last question. What are we doing unfortunately? Unfortunately, we are learning English only for our exam. Only for our exams. That is only for passing the exams instead of having a common over the languages, over English. Okay, we have already learned that English is a very important language. It is an international language and it is a common language. We can use it to communicate with the other people in the world. We should learn it so that we can use it orally and in writing. That is for our communication purpose. This is all, with the best of all of you.